Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. This year I've decided to do a lot of reading, so today we'll be making this beautiful bookmark so that whenever I'm reading I'm able to remember the page where I read it, and anytime I'm ready to read I'm able to go straight to the page. So let's get right into the tutorial. So the materials we'll be needing will be listed on the screen. We just need 3" by 3" as you can see on the screen. Then I'll mark it with my tailor chalk, and after marking it I'm just going to cut out 3. And for this I've decided to use 2 of this same fabric and another one from another fabric just to give it a twist. So you cut it out. You can use your scrap fabric for this tutorial. It's really easy and simple. You don't need much. So this is the 3 materials I've cut out now, and I'll go ahead to now iron my interface into 2, leaving one behind. I'll tell you the reason why later. So this is me ironing the interface into the 2 parts carefully. Remember I omitted one. I omitted that one because I'm just going to use it to line the bookmark, while this orange fabric I'm going to bend it over to form a shape of a triangle. After bending it, I discovered that some part of it is not that straight after ironing, so I decided to trim it out just as I'm doing. If yours is equal, you can decide to leave it, but I just wanted to trim it. I needed a clean finish at that point, so I decided to trim it out. Careful. So after trimming it out now and ironing it, I'll place it on the right side of one of that fabric. So you are just going to turn one. You are just going to turn it to the right side, and then you just put it as a shape of triangle, and then you place it side of the fabric. Then the last one that I didn't iron with that I didn't put my interface in, I'm going to put it so right side facing right side. So that triangle part will be in between the 2 of them, and then I will sew around, leaving a particular small space where I can turn out everything. Do you understand? Let's continue. After sewing it round, as you can see, and I left that little bit space, now you can see that's where I will use it to turn it. So the next thing is that I will turn it over, but before turning I'll have to cut the corners so that when I'm turning it over it's going to lay flat. Just trim it a little bit. Be careful so you don't cut into your seams. Then after cutting and trimming, you turn it over from that little space I left initially. So this is me turning it over to the right side now. You have to be careful at this point. So you turn it over, make sure that all those points, all those pointed parts, you push them out, and this is what it looks like. After that little space opening, you go ahead and have a top stitch round as you can see. So I'm going to go to my machine now and sew it round, and this is after I've sewn it round, you can see. So that is what you have is ready, and then anytime you want to use it, just open it up and put it like this. You see, it looks beautiful, isn't it? Then you can just cover your book. So beautiful and functional. So thank you for watching. If you love it, click the like button and don't forget to share. Bye.